Trends of the day. True Blood Bank, established by Guruji. The Bapu Bhagat Singh Ji International Blood Bank is a boon for patients since it is driven totally by voluntary blood donation. This blood bank shot into prominence by saving the lives of hundreds of dengue patients. Circus trailer. The film features Ranveer Singh in the lead role and boasts of a super impressive cast that includes Jacqueline Fernandez, Pooja Hegde, Varun Sharma, Tiku Talsania, Johnny Lever, Sanjay Mishra and Vrajesh Hirche. Twitter files. Elon Musk released the Twitter files revealing top-level confidential conversations among former Twitter executives. The files throw light on a particular intent from 2020 related to US President Joe Biden's son, Hunter Biden. Elon Musk counted down to the expose a few hours before it was released exclusively on Twitter. Lakers. Trade winds are blowing in Laker land again because, well, this franchise is a speculation factory first and basketball team second at the moment. Multiple sources told the Athletic Jovan Boa that the Los Angeles Lakers are weighing three different paths to noticeably improving their roster. PSC 12 Championship. The 2022 PSC 12 Football Championship game presented by 76 returns to Allegiant Stadium in Las Vegas on Friday, December 2. For the first time, the two teams with the best conference winning percentage in the PSC 12 will meet in the game to battle for the title. For more updates, do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Roy Smart Bangla. Thank you.